Hey, it's Ryan with S&B. Today we're going to be doing an install video on our 03 to 07 5.9 intercooler boots for the Cummins here. We've got full hot and cold side replacements. We're going to get started. We got the hood popped right here. This is going to expose the hot and cold side intercooler boot. I've got a 11 millimeter ratcheting wrench, and then we've got our electric ratchet as well. We'll use the ratcheting wrench to get on the rear bolts here to get them freed up, and then we'll use the electric ratchet right here. Same process over on the passenger side. So front clamp, super easy to get on. The rear clamp, I actually can get on that one too. So we'll start loosening all these and get them hand tight, real loose, so that the boots will slide right off. So I accidentally pulled this nut all the way off, so I'm just going to break the clamp off the boot. And get it out of the truck. Just pull down. We'll come to the front here. Work this clamp off. We'll rotate our pipe. Our new S&B boot here, this one's going to be the intercooler side. So I pulled the pipe out as far as I could here. Again, I get clearance so I can fit this boot. There it goes. In between power steering reservoir. Okay, so this is actually also our final fit test. So you can see these couplers look a little different now. They don't have the metal rings, so that changed in the video. They were interfering with the flanges here. So those are out of there now. We've got our clamps broken apart. I'm going to feed these over and index them in a way that I can get on them both. So if we go under right here. Like that. Get the second clamp installed. This one's really easy. Face it straight up, ratchet. And pop the clamp off at the turbo side here. Pop out like so. Put the peel this clamp off. Set it aside. and remove the clamp. So our longer coupler here. And then get that all the way seated. With that seated now, we're going to work it onto the turbo. So then I'm just going to push down past the turbo and work it around and into place. Like so. Get this pulled back flush. Pass the bead on both ends. We're a little too far on the intercooler side here, so I'll take the whole pipe, work it towards the turbo. See how it's too far here. Alright, so now we're pretty much flush at the turbo, flush at the bead here. This one's flush. We're at the right spot on the intercooler. So I'm going to point these clamps, get these into place. These are going to be the smaller 300 clamps. Spring, nut. And just for clearance, I'm going to point them straight up. Get this one going, get our MAF sensor out of the way. Next up, we're going to index it the same way. Make sure we stay out of the way of that intake tube. Like so. So we're going to go through, torque everything down to 76 inch-pounds, and then that's going to include the install intercooled boots. Obviously, we got to toss that back in the truck. Real simple to do on these. So, yeah, most of our cold side boots done, both of our hot side boots done, and everything torqued down. So give us a call if you have any questions during the install. Thank you for your time.